Let's start. Today we will see how to implement the custom snack bar in Kotlin Android. Let's see the project structure. At the app level build.gradle file, write this plugin. Here we have the main activity. And in the UI, we have the activity_main.xml file, which is the main activity's layout. And custom_layout.xml file, which is the layout of the custom snack bar. Let's see the UI. In the activity_main.xml file, we have a button, show a custom snack bar. Let's see the code. The constraint layout is the root layout. This is the button. In the custom_layout.xml file, we have an image view and a button. Let's see the code. This is the constraint layout. This is the image view. And this is the button. Let's see the Kotlin code now. These are the imports. This is the main activity. In the onCreate function, first, we inflate the custom view. When the button is clicked, this is how we show the custom snack bar. When the button in the snack bar is clicked, we dismiss the snack bar. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can implement a custom snack bar in Kotlin Android. Thank you.